What's up, YouTube? This is your boy CJ63SauceMyT, aka Corey Johnson, and I'm here with my first video of Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. And I'm, of course, going to, as you guys may know, I've done sound effects in the past, and I've also done voice impressions. Now, this is mainly sound effects video, um, but it's mainly about guns, and I can do gun sound effects with my mouth. So I know it's kind of weird, but so I'm going to do it. You know, those were guns. I can also do hold on. I'm trying to think. I mean, I've done plenty of sound effects. Don't get me wrong. Um, I mean, my car sound effects aren't that good. But tell me what kind of car this sounds like to you guys in the comments below. I'm using a cup, and I'm of course going to do this sound. Pretty good car sound effect. I'm going to watch this video. I mean, I watch all my videos, but I'm going to watch this and see how it sounded. It probably sounded pretty good. So, yeah. I can also do a Thunderbolt tornado siren. It's a low pitched tornado siren, so all you gotta do is no wait. Dang it. I can also do a motorcycle. Tell me if this sounds like a motorcycle or another kind of car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Honestly, I think the other sound effects sounded a lot more better, and it was a car. So, I could also do, let's see, Megatron's growl. I could also do a semi truck. Let me see if a semi truck sounds better with this. Honestly, that sounded more like a diesel. Honestly, it did. Um, more guns. Engineer sentry gun. Um, not while it's shooting, but when it's scanning. Did it, did it, did it. Now when it's shooting. And let's see. Different kinds of transformation sounds. Hold on. Come on, Siren Head, don't fall apart, buddy. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe, and clear tap on the notification bell. Just find this on this guy's next video. Peace to all these homegirls out there watching. Excuse me, that watching YouTube.